Hi everyone, Noelle here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. This tip is really quick. I just wanted to share a website that I really love. It's called slidesgo.com. And not only does this make your presentations look awesome, but this also gives a resource for your students who may not be the most tech savvy or maybe designed thinking type of student where it might be hard for them to make a really nice presentation that stands out. And this is a great way for them to use one of these templates on this website to help enhance their presentations. So, simply by going to the website slidesgo.com, you can sign in with your Gmail account. There are paid parts to this application, but for the most part, there's a lot of free presentations that you can use as well. As you can see, it's broken down in categories. Okay. I could type in something like movie. And as you can see, I have options for presentations that are movie based. Okay. So if I found a presentation that I liked that I think would be relevant to what I'm teaching in class, I would simply click on that presentation. And as you can see here, it says download this template. And it's as simple as clicking the Google Slides option, which will then ask you to make a copy, which will automatically save to your drive. And then you can begin editing your presentation right there. The thing about slidesgo.com is that they do give you a lot of options to work with. So you automatically are given about 40 something slides. In this case, this one has about 50. Doesn't mean you're going to be using all of these slides. So be mindful of that you might want to tell your students to go through the presets and to choose which ones really stand out and which ones they like the most. Also, after a certain point, there's just graphics for them to use. So if you don't need all of these slides, after a certain point, you can just highlight, hold down the shift key, and click and delete those slides that you do not need. Also, students or teachers can choose the new slide with layout. And as you can see, there are presets made here as well that you can use in your presentation. So I love this application and this website because it's so easy to use. It's so simple to find a presentation that you would want to use or replicate in your own class. And all you have to simply do is click on whether you want a Google Slides or a PowerPoint and make a copy of that particular slide. Hopefully, this helps. Maybe you want to use it for your next presentation in class or for your students' next report. Have a great day.